Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Solary smoke leak detector. If you're like me and are working on an older car, especially one with a turbo and has vacuum hoses, this will be an essential tool for you. The detector comes with pretty much everything you need except for mineral oil for the smoke. So I made a quick trip to CVS to pick up some baby oil. Alright, so now that I picked up the baby oil, I came home and I filled up the filler bottle that is used for the smoke detector. Unfortunately, I made a little bit of a mess, but hey, we can't waste any baby oil around here, so I'm ready to go. Okay, now that we are back outside, now we can fill up the smoke detector with the appropriate amount of oil that is in the instructions, replace the cap, and now I'm going to put on the hanger that is going to be used to hang it up on your car. Alright, so the next thing to do is plug in the power cable supply into the smoke detector. Next, we will be putting on the smoke supply hose. Fairly simple, we just have to unscrew the connector, put the hose on, and snug it back down. You may have to use a wrench to get the final tightening of it, but don't over tighten. So the next thing I did was to insert the cone-shaped adapter into my intake so it will be a nice seal. I hung up the smoke detector with my hood latch, and the next thing was to connect the positive and negative cables to your battery. Once you do that, you'll hear a fan come on the detector. But in order to get the smoke to come out, you will have to switch it on and the smoke will start to flow. But fair warning, once the smoke starts coming out, it will not have that sweet baby oil smell. It will have a pungent smell. So it was flowing pretty good. I connected it to the cone-shaped adapter in my intake, and the smoke started to go through the system. It's really hard to see here, but right near where that hose connector is on my intake, a little whiff of smoke was coming out. So I tightened it up, and then that worked. However, what was really shocking was where my turbo, there's a 90-degree elbow from the charge pipe to the turbo that was smoking and leaking pretty bad. The fix was pretty easy. The red hose, as you can see right there, must have slipped a little bit, or the hose clamps. I reconnected the hose clamps, tightened them down pretty good, ran a smoke check again, and everything was nice and good. So whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this little kit, this Solary smoke detector, is a great addition to your toolkit. Pick one up with the link below.